This is a quick video about the difference in orientation of a label in a hat, whether it is for commercial streetwear reasons or for theatrical reasons. So this hat that we're looking at now, this has my own label in the back of it. And this hat is from a collection that I did a few summers ago to be sold in a boutique at the Williamstown Theater Festival, not to go on stage. And so when you make a commercial hat, you put the label in so that when you pick it up off of a display table, you see it oriented in the center back of the hat, and you read it so that the bottom of the words rides along the bottom of the hat. But it's a little different in theatrical terms. So if I were making this hat for a show at the theater where I work, Playmakers Repertory Company, I would have a label that had the actor's name and their character name. Now this is for a fake staging of Great Gatsby, in which Julia Gibson plays Zelda Fitzgerald, and that's just me making something up as an example for this video. But we would place it into the center back of the hat so that the top of the words is riding along the edge of the hat. So Julia would know if she saw this hat and she could read her own name and character name, then she can put it directly on her head, and that would be the orientation. It would be dressed correctly. She wouldn't wonder, does this go on off to the side or askew, or is this actually the front of the hat? Which can be the case with commercial hats where, you know, this tells me that the maker wants it to be worn like this. But if I want to wear it backwards, like that, then I can do that. But on the stage, you as an actor do not have a choice about how you're going to wear your hat. The costume designer decides that. And so that's why this label orientation is so important for stage.